No teleprompter, no script. There she is. This thing's always idled like 12, 1100 RPM. And PCV delete. Man, I had to have this whole thing ripped apart for like 7 weeks because it's cold. There's no heat out here, and I'm working that far off the floor, and shit sucks. And I still have to put my intake on, to my air box. But this thing has never started this cleanly, and it's never been able to free rev on a cold start. Never. Cigarette on the floor. With my view cluster. Right? ABS light. Perfect idle. Perfect idle. Cold start, baby. Cold start. Cold start. This thing's running awesome. And to top it off, I got a bung welded in for my AFR gauge, and I'm just working on my second attempt at getting that gauge cluster in there.